In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why clipping is not the best way to make money online and exactly what to do instead. All right. You were sold a lie. There's a big push right now for clipping and how this is the easiest and best way to make money online and that anybody can do it. But that's exactly the problem. Clipping is a trap. You don't own the audience. You're promoting someone else's brand and you don't control the back end. Ultimately, no matter how good you are at clipping or how much you know how to go viral, you are ultimately disposable. And many other people are learning this exact skill and earning the income that you might otherwise earn. So, for instance, you might join a clipping campaign and think that you're going to make a good amount of money. But when too many people are after the same amount of money, then the money in the campaign runs out very quickly and it doesn't go to you. So you're in this, constant loop of finding, campaigns and clipping different people, building someone else's brand instead of your own. So I want you to be honest with yourself. Are you actually building income? Are you actually, creating a life for your future self or your family? And is this sustainable? Okay. Deep down, I think you can recognize that there's better ways to monetize this skill of clipping. And other YouTubers won't tell you this. They'll just give you generic advice about, random affiliate marketing campaigns or products or, teach what you're good at, all these different things. But ultimately, they don't give you the real solution like I will to how to actually make money and capitalize on this skill of clipping and going viral online. Take this from me. I wasted many years not really knowing what I was doing. Okay? Excuse me. I'm sick. I got to make this video anyways, all right? So I wasted that time because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't have any kind of mentor or someone teaching me what to do to go viral in the first place. And then secondly, definitely not anyone that told me how to make money. Okay. And the entire time, I assure you, I thought that I did. I thought I did know, but I did not. My biggest mistake was not, arming myself with the knowledge that I needed. Okay. I was completely guessing. I was just trying to share random value with people and I didn't understand the viral video framework or how that works or exactly how people are making money online. Now I consistently make over $10,000 a month easily with passive income on Instagram. And I'm not clipping random clips. I'm not generating money from ad revenue, but I am earning a consistent, recurring income with Instagram. So you need to understand exactly how to build cash flow with a recurring commission. All right. I want you to think about what an extra $1,000 recurring can do into your life. Okay. And to make this can happen from just one video. All right. You understand that a viral video can change your life forever if you monetize with the right offer. All right. You don't need 1 million followers to do this. Man, I'm struggling. Let's do the simple math, all right? Let's say you earn $25 recurring per member that you refer. That's 40 active referrals, and that's $1,000 a month, okay? So it's not a one-time payout. One single action can pay you months later, okay? And if you stay consistent, this builds leverage and compounds over time. So instead of joining clipping campaigns and earning a one-time commission per video, this allows you to earn recurring commissions. All right. So most people are stuck posting every day, hoping that it does well and trying to repeat. And hopefully they can promote a clip or a clipping campaign that pays them for the views. All right. But this is how real passive income is built. All right. You make the content and then you use the right offer to promote. And if you've done this for a while, it doesn't actually take that long. It takes about 30 minutes a day, 10 minutes to film, 10 to edit, and 10 to post 3 times a day. And it's not really very hard to generate traffic and promote an offer. All right. But this window might not stay open forever. We don't know the future of short form content or these platforms. And we need to take advantage right now. All right. So like I said, clipping is crowded, and there's going to be many, many more people jumping on, fighting for that same dollar that you are. And that's why it won't work. Okay. Instead, you need a recurring affiliate income that's going to earn on autopilot just from you posting. All right. You don't have to show your face, and you can show your face and still promote the system. Again, one video can change your entire life. All right. So most creators are chasing views, likes, and vanity metrics instead of monthly recurring cash flow. So this is the time you need to start thinking like an owner, not a hustler. All right. And I didn't fail for those 5 years because I was lazy. I didn't understand exactly what to do. All right. And I'm going to show you in this video. So stop asking how to get more views and start asking, how do I get more buyers? And it comes with the right system. Okay. Project Profit is the solution. It's my school group. And what happens is when you join the group, you can get paid to post essentially. Okay. So you promote my group and you earn 50% recurring commissions for every person that you refer. It's very simple, and it allows you to build the passive income that you've always wanted. So here's what to do next. Comment your income goals below. Share this video with someone else who wants to make money online. And click the link in the description below to get started making recurring income online.